Hey guys, John again here at Fix a Fence. I just want to give you an update of what's going on here with the fence channel. And obviously you've seen in the last few videos that kind of steered away from this, this FaceTime here, and I went some motivational videos and some other stuff like the 10 most dangerous roads. I'll tell you, that's pretty cool. Anyway, so yeah, and I'll be honest, that's an AI generated video. I got this kind of cool software called InVideo, and yeah, you'll be checking out more of that stuff here as the channel grows. But anyway, I just wanted to give you a heads up, let you know that some of this content on fences is, well, it's been kind of few and far between. I got this thing, as you know, in the last video, sacroiliitis, and it's ticking me down, but and the fence company's kind of slowed down to a slow crawl anyway, so I got to find other avenues of approach to keep this video channel going. So I thought, well, hey, why not give it another try, here. And so if some of these videos encourage you, hey, please like it and share it with others, because if it's done something for you, I'm sure it'll do something for somebody else. And that's kind of what I'm doing here. I'm working hard at giving this stuff away, well, not giving it away, but you know what I mean, giving you guys some, at least some encouraging, motivating thoughts about life, I guess. I don't know why I do that, but anyway, but why not, right? I got the tools here, so I'm gonna just whether they say exploit it, Hey, and just like my blog here in the link below, check that out, survivingwellandhealthy.com. It's just a WordPress blog, but in there, I'm going to have links to some of the products that I'm getting into with affiliate marketing. That's another reason why I'm sharing this video, is because I'm getting into that stuff too. So, it's going to be a long journey. So I hope you're along for the ride. Enjoy the video, and I got more coming out, so stay tuned. Keep smiling. Have a great day.